New listing. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath home blends comfort, charm, and thoughtful design throughout. Step inside to an open floor plan highlighted by elegant architectural details, including arched doorways, judges paneling, and beautiful engineered hardwood floors. The expansive living area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen is sure to impress with granite countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, and a cozy eat-in area ideal for casual dining. The main level features a convenient bedroom with a nearby full bath, offering flexibility for guests, a home office, or multi-generational living. Upstairs, the spacious owner's suite serves as a private retreat, complete with an ensuite bath featuring a garden tub, separate stand-up shower, and an oversized walk-in closet you truly have to see to believe. 2 additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family, guests, or hobbies, and the upstairs laundry room adds everyday convenience. Step outside to enjoy grilling or relaxing on the back patio, all while taking advantage of the privacy of your fenced backyard. This home also features a whole house water purification system, providing clean, high-quality water throughout for added comfort and peace of mind.